Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write an essay on my daily routine. You can also write this content under the topic Write a paragraph on your daily routine. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. My name is. Here, write your name. I am student and I study in class 3. Here I have written class 3 just for an example. You will write the class in which you are studying currently. My daily routine is quite structured. I wake up early in the morning, usually around 6:30 am. After brushing my teeth and washing my face, I take bath and then I have a healthy breakfast with my family. Then I get ready for school, putting on my uniform and packing my school bag. School starts at 8 am and I study various subjects like math, science, English, and more. I enjoy my classes and I have many friends at school. After school, I return home and have lunch. Then I do my homework, which my parents help me with. In the evening, I have some free time to play or watch my favorite cartoons. Before dinner, I help my mother to set the dinner table, and after eating, I spend some quality time with my family. I usually go to bed by 9:30 pm so I can get a good night's sleep. And be ready for another exciting day at school. This is how I spend my day.